Alright, so a few days later, back at the shop, there's just a sad, depressed truck. But anyway, at the shop, we're gonna get the dyno, or get the car on the dyno, I should say, and see what type of, if any numbers, any dyno improvements come from doing your Corsa catback system. You get rid of the secondary cats. And I did look inside of them, and they are actually cats. So that's a confirmation. They're not really resonators. They are cats, like people kind of thought. Some people thought they're resonators, but you get rid of those, and you have a full catback system. So we're gonna put this bad boy on the dyno and see what she does, and we'll go from there. I didn't get to mention this before, but this dyno pool was completely 100%. The car's still untouched except for the exhaust. So, like I said, this is now the Corsa Performance catback system with the Corsa Xtreme axle back part with the new Corsa double X pipe, as you seen me install in this video. The rest of the car untouched, pretty much exact same from the last time it's been on the dyno, minus things that don't even matter, which are the strut tower brace and just cosmetic stuff. The Mishimoto was on there, but even this is a stock air filter that's I got with the car. It's not even a green filter in here. This air filter literally has 14,200 miles, because that's what the car was at before we put on the dyno. So I might have a mile or two on it now, but literally stock air filter. No, the ECU wasn't even plugged into. No HP tuners, no trickery, no nothing. We don't even look. The car's still on the dyno. No, we didn't even read air fuel. We didn't even read air fuel. All we did was read. This is the previous dyno number, which is 417 horsepower. Went up to 426. Torque actually picked up 20, which is almost 21, which is 417, 437. So some major torque difference, because it was almost 417 on the dot, and then 426, 437. and I'll put this dyno graph up on the screen here in a minute, but you can see it's very, this is the original one, and then so blue was what it was, and then red is what it is now, obviously. But you can look at, if you've never seen a dyno, you look at the colors and they correlate, whatever. But like I said, this car is untouched. Nothing has changed with the car except for the exhaust, and of course the cosmetic things I've done to it. So yeah, we're gonna go get some sound clips. I got a few things to do at the shop. I gotta finish working on this Chevelle, and the truck's still on punishment. I'm gonna get working on that here in a minute, because I majorly wanted to do this test with this exhaust. I wish I would have done it with just the axle back, just to see what the jump is from axle back to catback, but fortunately I never got it on the dyno, which I could have pretty easily, but whatever. But now I would just advise, you know, 10 horsepower with that catback system. So let's say the axle back's maybe 5. I really think the torque is all with the whole system. So if you want just a horsepower jump, and like I said, the car is untouched, no tune, running just regular pump 93, no E85, nothing. So this is an easy way. And then I'm gonna throw a green filter on here eventually. We might dyno it again and see what the numbers change to after that. But pretty cool stuff, some pretty good stuff. I'm very excited about this. Something that I definitely wanted to know and find out for you guys, for Corsa, for somebody who's interested in the exhaust. So like I said, I got a little bit of work to finish up, and then we're gonna get some sound clips to this exhaust and close out the video. Alright, so there you have it. My full in-depth review of the Corsa Xtreme catback system. Previously had the axleback system, and I have that video. I'm pretty sure I put a link on everything already. But this is the catback system. I will be getting the Corsa headers to complete the exhaust. But like I said, I love the exhaust. Corsa hasn't disappointed me yet. I'm proud to be on board with the team at Corsa and being able to work with everyone there. So I appreciate them. But we'll finish with a look at the car, and just let me know what you think about the system. Give it a thumbs up. Share this video if you enjoyed it, if it's something that you feel like someone else might need. Like I said, Corsa Xtreme. I wish I had my new black tips on there, but with the holidays and everything, it's just messed up the shipping everywhere, I'm sure. So I'm not too upset about it. But let me know what you think. Give a good look at the car. Corsa catback system, like I said probably a million times in this video already. Good stuff, great product, quality. It just is what it is. And best of all, that everybody wants to know all the time, there is a performance advantage to putting this system on. So there you go. I did the test. I showed you the numbers. 417 stock, 426 to the tires afterwards. No tune, no nothing. Just straight raw horsepower from an exhaust. 20 foot-pounds more torque. So there you have it. Stand and wait for it. The 1LE. There it is. Appreciate you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, share, subscribe it. Everybody have a good day.